tired of dead-end leads and want to connect with property owners directly? Let's dive into how to leverage Propstream with skip tracing to unlock key contact information and supercharge your lead generation in just a few easy steps. First, pinpoint your target properties within Propstream using the map view or by entering specific addresses or zip codes in the search bar. Next, refine your search even further by applying filters such as ownership time, property type, MLS status, and other specific criteria. This is key to finding the most promising leads. Once you've identified your properties, select them and navigate to the property details page. Notice that while Propstream provides valuable information, it often lacks direct contact details like phone numbers and emails. This is where skip tracing comes in. Now, copy the owner's name and property address from Propstream, paste this information into your preferred skip tracing service. There are many options available online. The skip tracing service will then work its magic, scouring public records and databases to uncover the contact information associated with the property owner. Finally, with the contact information in hand, you can now reach out to the property owner directly. Remember to personalize your approach and clearly state your intentions to increase your chances of a successful connection. Good luck.